Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Jomar Makina, and today we'll be reviewing the Handy Tech 9. This is one of my, well, requested gel blaster because I like watching Archer, and this is one of the guns that is very well known in that cartoon. It's not anime, it's cartoon. And I was really surprised on its performance. Considering this is very cheap, it's around only 2,000 pesos from Hydro Blasters MNL, link in the description. And I'm blown away on this very cheap gel blaster and its performance. And let's get into it. First, quality. It is an all nylon construction, so it feels really sturdy. Nice. It has a Picatinny rail here, and the original there ain't, so I'm going to remove this one. It has a, what do you call this one? Charging handle and magazine prime, and it's moving bolt catch. And oh, this doesn't have a hop up. I created this one because it has a very limited range, considering this is only 120 to 160 FPS. So the FPS is low on this unit, but then again, it's cheap. Trades, you can see trades here. I don't know if it's real trades or this is just from the copied airsoft. So I don't know if this is real or not. For sure, this is just printed because this is most probably copied from an airsoft unit with just gel blasters internal. Features: magazine prime, safe, safe, semi, and full auto. Oops, it's loaded. Battery space. This is unique. See, press battery. It's connected using the XTSM plug. So when it comes to upgrades, it will be very limited. But it's 3S LiPo. See, look at the plugs. So rate of fire is really high. I don't know how long it will last, but then again, this is cheap. If it breaks, buy a new one. There's no upgrades for the battery unless you open this up. Weight, it's barely a kilo. 800 grams, something like that. It's really weight. Weighs nothing. So it's very nice for CQB or if you keep on running. Capacity, wow. It's one of its strong points. Since this even has a prime, considering this is cheap, the BB capacity is from here to here. See? A lot. I think this is more than the ARP9. Do I have a magazine somewhere? No, I don't have. So, lots of BB capacity. And magazine prime. Range, oof, it barely reached my 10-meter firing range. You can see in my shorts. But if you angle it a little bit higher, it will reach. But in my example, I have a hop up, so it helps. And range, price. Okay, this is cheap. It's 2,000 pesos only. It's very light. It comes with complete accessories. This is a very good gift for children. For adults, I need 2 pieces. And I already have a thread adapter for this one. So if you want to use your tracers, that is more expensive than the Bifrost. The unit itself, you have an option. And this, I forgot to talk about the hop-up attachment. This is We know this is not threaded, so I just added a grub screw here and here, so it holds on the barrel. It clamps on the barrel. So it's really sturdy. And last but not the least, don't expect too much. It's a good toy. It's light. It's a good gift. So this is very recommended. And considering that's just lots of bullets, it's fun. Oh, I'll be for sure making not a drum mag, a battle mag for this one for double, triple the fun. Never ending firing. If you have blah, blah. If you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!